Today we are making Oyakodon, a Japanese chicken and egg rice bowl. It's easy, high in protein and perfect after a workout. Ingredients for 2 servings of Oyakodon. You need to prepare 300 ml water, about 68 gram soy sauce, about 30 gram mirin, 300 gram chicken thigh, 4 eggs, 1 dashi packet, and a pinch of sugar. You can find soy sauce, mirin, and dashi at most Asian supermarkets. I've also added Amazon links in the description just in case. Before you forget, please subscribe. First, cut the chicken into pieces about 3 cm wide. Here is a tip: use your triceps for a clean, powerful cut. Place a pan on medium heat. Then add water, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and dashi. Wait until it comes to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the chicken and wait for 5 minutes. This is the perfect time to go hit the gym. After 5 minutes, flip the chicken and cook for another 5 minutes. While you are waiting, crack the eggs. Here is a tip: just flex your biceps, makes cracking eggs a breeze. Beat the eggs to incorporate air. My arm is totally pumped. Once they are fully yellow, they are ready to go. Now that 5 minutes have passed, pour the eggs over the chicken. Meet my assistant. She couldn't resist the yummy smell and had to check it out. Turn on the heat when the eggs are soft set and see a little runny. Serve it over a bowl of hot white rice and enjoy. That's Oyakodon. Simple, satisfying, and packed with flavor. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.